Drip check, drip check. Y'all see the Balenci on the fit. Balenci. Go crazy, go crazy. What's up, y'all? 2 Live Gang. Y'all see little drip check, whatever. But y'all see I'm back. As y'all see by the title, y'all see I'm standing in the spot where the Camaro was at. The Camaro is officially gone. And I know y'all want to know why I took a break and haven't been dropping and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get into it. Basically, I took a little break because I had to focus on some stuff. You know what I'm saying? You got to get your mind right. You know, get focused and stuff like that. But I gotta pick the camera up because I can't just leave y'all around. I see everybody else going crazy, so I gotta do it too, man. You know what I'm saying? And this ain't something that I just wanna just be a follower and follow everybody else and stuff like that, because it took me some time to think about even getting on the face of behind the face of a camera. You know what I'm saying? So you got to get comfortable with that too. A lot of people don't really know that. A lot of people just want to jump into YouTube just thinking, oh, okay, I can do it. No, you really can't. Like, you got to be motivated and dedicated for this. You know what I'm saying? It's a job. You got to do it 24/7, you know, 7 days a week. So if you want to make money and stuff. But other than that, I know y'all gonna be like, well, what's next? What you getting next? To be honest, I don't know. I don't know what's gonna go on. So I'm just gonna give y'all some vlogs for right now. Go car shopping, look around, and let y'all pick something or what y'all want to see on the channel, and go from there. Y'all already know I did the Mustang, I did the Camaro, did the Scat Pack twice, you know, did the Camaro twice, Mustang. So you know I did all three. So it's just really time to get something else. I don't know, foreign, maybe BMW, something like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, I had to take a little break from the channel and stuff, but it's time to get back on it. I do got a couple videos coming up that's going to be pretty interesting. So y'all look out for those. And anybody who want to collab or do anything like that or work together, y'all know, just DM me, 2 Live Marco. It's gonna be right there. And yeah. We got a Tesla here. Let's go ahead on and jump on in this Tesla. Y'all see how y'all, somebody over there yelling. Jump on in this Tesla. Yes, sir. Jump on in this Tesla. Good Tesla. Y'all know. Good Tesla. Y'all see the Tesla, man. Water down there. Tesla is pretty fast. After this curve, I'm doing a little 40 roll. Look, I know I wish y'all can hear the sound that this thing make. It'd be like, it's not even a whine, but it is a whine, but it's a battery whine. It's crazy, like. Okay, guys, back in the Tesla. I did just leave 5 and below. Got some little arts and crafts stuff. You know, I've been kind of liking that lately. But we are at Hungry Howie's. Shout out to them. They're making me this special pizza. And then we're going to go from there. Nighttime scenery in the Tesla. I'll do a little 40 roll pull. Let's do it. After this curve, hit it. I wonder, can y'all hear that like little sound that it's making? Like, it's a sound, like it's like, it sounds like a whine, but it ain't a whine, bro. Like it sounds crazy.